As airline fleets modernize and new aircraft generations enter service, aerospace OEMs and suppliers need to improve production capabilities to meet quality and flexible production schedule requirements. Imagine being able to optimize existing or new production lines on a single manufacturing operations management platform to materialize the efficiency benefits of the future factory. With our build-to-operate solution, aerospace players can monitor, control, and optimize all aspects of manufacturing and their global supply chain with digital precision. As a result, you can experience full shop floor visibility and ensure lean manufacturing. Avoid unforeseen production changes, rework, and late deliveries. Increase installation and assembly cycle time efficiency. Deliver at rate with finite capacity planning and scheduling. Centrally manage and monitor the material quality and flow from supplier to delivery. Get ready to drive manufacturing execution efficiency to reach optimal production rates with Build to Operate. Discover more.